This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Ann Foster. Enjoy the huge lake view from this comfortable Lake Oconee home with an open floor plan and loads of windows. The vaulted great room opens to a very nice kitchen with loads of pretty cabinetry, granite counters, island, pantry and breakfast bar. Enjoy family meals at the lakeside dining area or on the screen porch. The main floor master has a lake view and opens to the screen porch as well. Rounding out the main floor is a powder room and laundry room with storage. Upstairs is a spacious loft for sleeping and/or recreation room, a second bedroom with private bath plus a third bedroom plus a third bath. Loads of windows keeps everything bright. The screen porch opens to a patio with fire pit for cool evenings or s'mores in the summer. A paved walkway on this level lot makes getting to the vinyl dock a breeze. The two-car garage and storage